Hello and welcome to Tuesday's maths lesson. So yesterday we started finding half, and you may remember that your job was to cut the pizza in half so that everybody got an equal half and there was no complaining. So today then we're going to carry on looking at finding halves and halves of shapes mainly today. So just a little recap then, your halves have to be equal. We don't want any falling out because they're not the same, okay? So, on a recap then, I've put you some shapes to show you what half might look like. Or if we'd got one whole, so you can see there, one whole's got 4 flowers, we can cut it in half, and one half will have 2 flowers each. And we know that they are equal, they are exactly the same. When we've coloured half of the shapes in, you can see that half equally is coloured in. So we're going to have a look at the worksheets. So, remember, equal is the key. So tick the cake that is cut in half. So it has to have the same each side. Then you're going to have a go at drawing a line for half of the shape. You might want to ask your adult helpers for the more tricky shapes, and you're going to have a go at colouring each half. Now the lines on these are already put in for you. On these different shapes, you can show half in 3 different ways. So one of the ways you might think about is going that way, and I'm sure you can think of 2 other ways. Tick again the shapes, and on this one, a little bit tricky, but have a go at drawing a matching half. Let's see how well you can do. Now, if you have this sheet, you need to find half of your shapes. And one idea might be to cut the shape out and then fold it in half before, so that you can see, and then after you can always colour it in. Happy finding halves! You might even ask your mum to cut your cake in half, or your pizza, or your fish finger. Have a look around the house and see how many things you could maybe cut in half and then eat. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.